What's up guys, my name is Bailey and I started reselling shoes. I resell shoes on eBay, StockX, and GOAT. The 2 out of the 3 major platforms that I sell on are GOAT and StockX. The reason why I focus on these 2 is because those are the 2 that are the major platforms to be reselling shoes on. The reason why I started reselling shoes was to earn a little bit extra income on the side. When I started doing this, I found out that it was quite lucrative to do this for the amount of time that you put in and the amount of time that it takes to ship out a shoe. I wanted to make this video to show you guys what type of shoe that I sell, as well as how much the shoe costs and how much profits I make. The brand of shoe that I focus on primarily are Nike shoes. I recently went to the Nike factory store earlier today and I sourced about 9 pairs of shoes. So without further ado, let's jump into the video and let's show you guys those shoes. Alright guys, so in front of you, you can see that these are the shoes that I sourced earlier today. There are 2 stacks of shoes. The shoes on the left are the shoes that instantly sold on StockX, and the shoes on the right are the shoes that I am going to be holding on to and trying to sell them for a lot more. Now what I mean by shoes that instantly sold, if you haven't sold on StockX before, you're able to go onto StockX and to find shoes that people are looking to buy, and those people have set a price that they are willing to pay for the shoes. So when you go into the Nike store, you're able to find that specific shoe and look up that SKU number, and once you find that shoe, you can actually see how much people are willing to pay. So you can do the math to see if it's worth buying and to sell instantly. So those are the shoes that are on the left. Let me show you guys what shoes I bought. And as you can see, all the shoes are almost the same except for one box. Now I only sourced one type of shoe. They're just different sizes. And for example, this shoe right here, this shoe is the Nike Zoom KD11s. Let me open it up for you guys. These are the Kevin Durant's. So there's these pink ones right here, the KD11s. So these are size 13. They're brand new, unworn, and we purchased these shoes for about $105. Now keep in mind that the $105 price tag was with the 30% discount that they had on all shoes. The reason why they had a 30% discount on all their footwear was because of Memorial Day weekend. Now Nike usually runs promotions occasionally, so if you plan on getting into shoe selling, I would recommend to go to a Nike factory store every so often so you know whether or not they are running promotions on footwear or even clothing. Now let me show you guys the receipt here. So here's the receipt. I spent $1,000 today after tax, $1,039.77. I spent out $70 in tax, and all these shoes are the same except for one, like I've already stated. So as you can see right here, they were normally $150. The 30% discount knocked it down by 45 bucks, and then the final price came down to $105 before tax. Now tax is almost about 10%, so if you do 10% of that, that's about 10 bucks. So the total price would be about $115, give or take. And I'll go ahead and run the numbers over on the screen for you guys as well on how much I exactly made. I'll also throw up a screen capture of the StockX amount that I sold the shoes for. So you guys can see how much I sold that shoe for. And as you can see right here, the receipt, this is how much I bought each shoe for. The one shoe that's different is this one right here. It's the, let's see here, it's the LeBrons over here, and they were normally $185. I saved $55.50, knocked it down to $129.50. Now those shoes I'm not selling instantly. I'm going to hold on to those shoes. Hopefully I can sell them for a lot more because this shoe, I couldn't find a size for this shoe on StockX. So I'm planning on trying to resell this shoe for a lot more. Let me show you that pair of shoe real quick. So these are the LeBrons, size 8. There's a SKU number. So these are the shoes that I bought. They're not bad. But I'm going to try to resell these shoes on either GOAT or StockX for a lot more. If that doesn't happen to go too well, I'll try to resell them on eBay. And maybe I might need to knock it down a little bit so that I can make my money back. But for the most part, those are all the shoes that I sourced today. I'm going to go ahead and box up these shoes and ship them out so I can get my payment sometime next week. Alright guys, that's pretty much all I have for you guys in this video. As you saw, those shoes that I sold, I made about $113.98 for just the shoes that instantly sold on StockX. The shoes that I have on the side that I'm going to hold on to resell for more. I'm going to try to keep you guys updated on those pairs of shoes. On this channel, I'm going to try to upload more videos related to entrepreneurial experiences and my journey with reselling and how to make more money as well as passive income. If you guys are interested in that, go ahead and smash that like button and follow my journey. If you guys have any questions about reselling or anything about StockX, go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below. I love responding to you guys. Other than that, that's all, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.